Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Make sure your S25 Ultra supports physical plus eSIM and that your carrier allows dual SIM. Once ready, back up contacts and have the carrier QR or activation code available. This saves time if provisioning stalls. Next, insert the physical SIM into the tray or go straight to Settings Connections SIM Card Manager to add an eSIM. You're doing the first setup steps deliberately, so activation won't be interrupted. Keep Wi-Fi on for eSIM download. Once both SIMs appear, you'll configure how they behave. You should open SIM Card Manager and assign primary versus secondary for mobile data, voice, and SMS. This determines costs and signal use. Make sure to enable VoLTE LTE and 5G for the SIMs that support them. This improves call quality and network speed. If a carrier needs a manual APN or specific roaming rules, enter those now. Doing this in the middle avoids dropped services later when you test. You finish by testing. Call, text, and browse on each SIM so you confirm which one handles data, calls, and SMS. Once done, assign a preferred SIM per contact to simplify daily use. If something goes wrong, try the key troubleshooting tip. Verify APN and carrier provisioning first, then reseat the physical SIM, toggle airplane mode, and reboot the phone. If the eSIM won't activate, contact your carrier with the device IMEI and the eSIM activation token ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.